Hi, welcome everybody, and thank you for tuning in to StampTV. I'm Kristin Stampini, and today I'll be sharing with you some post-pandemic survival tips. So let's get started. Work from home activities at home like cooking, homeschooling, working out, and a lot more, 99% of the time, staying at home, social distancing, no hands shaking, now, hello pecks, no out of the country vacations, no parties, no big parties. No matter which stage of life you are in, this 2020 is really a new chapter for all of us. The entire world is fighting with an unseen enemy. To make it worse, this invisible enemy may stay with your friends or your family members. So you hope this is just a bad dream and everything will go back to normal, or what we say normal, when you wake up. Sorry to tell you that, but this is our real life and it's going to be a new normal. With the pandemic, employees worry about losing their jobs and also worry about being able to pay their rent or mortgage. And business owners worry about not being able to weather the storm. The entire human being is scared of the COVID-19. The sky is falling, but not for everyone. When there is fear, opportunities absolutely come. And today, I'm going to share with you 3 very significant post-pandemic survival tips. Survival tip number 1, invest in yourself. In the event that you have been laid off and you don't figure you can get rehired, you most likely don't have an expertise that businesses are searching for possibly. The odds are you can possibly get paid by hours when you are physically there, but not by your skills. That might happen to you, to me, to many of us. This pandemic is attempting to wake us up and make us realize that we need to go out of our comfort zones and give us an opportunity to reconsider our future. While a great many people are sitting around, viewing Netflix films maybe, what if you invest time in yourself to learn a new skill during this downtime? This may enable you to find a better job which pays you actually more for your skills, not by the number of hours you showed up to work. So don't spend your time worrying as much about everything, and maybe just get out there and learn some more skills and focus on those things to improve yourself. Be responsible and start investing in yourself. Don't be so hard on yourself. So survival tip number 2, be creative. If you're a business owner struggling with your business, well, you are not alone. I think everybody out there is struggling, except for maybe Amazon and some of the grocery stores. Most business owners are struggling with not enough money to pay rent or mortgages and other bills. The uplifting news is our government is striving to furnish private ventures, leases, wages, loans, and trying to help the small business owners. So this should help, hopefully, a lot of organizations temporarily. Being that as it may coming out of the pandemic, you are all alone once more. So as to get by after pandemic, you should be innovative. Individuals need to remain at home and avoid group at any rate. COVID-19 would change human conduct from physical to online, from dine-in to delivery, and from going to work to working from home. Issues never leave us the manner in which they discovered us. Can your business be done on the web, inside, if in person? If so, are you offering your business online? Indeed, even doctors are into online appointments nowadays. And the point, when many individuals are being laid off, that implies it is less expensive to work with meetings at extraordinary cost for the individuals who can prop businesses up. So when you see fears and complaints, Those are clearly opportunities. No doubt, this COVID-19 experience is a challenge, but I also see opportunities at the same time and many people taking advantage of it. And survival tip number 3, think and act like the rich. So when the world senses a great deal of turmoil and starts panicking, that's when the rich calmly go out shopping. And at the point when you are looking for bathroom tissue, the rich are looking for chances to purchase from the individuals who dread the market drop. Recession is a Black Friday for rich people. Real estate is the best possible long-term asset that anyone can own. The formula for the rich is simple. Recession comes along, people are scared economy, contracts, there is little demand, a few people stress that the rich come in and get everything of significant worth as long-term investments. The government is devaluing the money through inflation. Inflation counts as a result when new money is printed and floods the economy. For the past century, this has been the main strategy governments have taken in order to stabilize the economy. Just print more money. Taking a look at the US right now, the Fed wants to print $2.3 trillion into the economy to avoid a financial collapse. To put $2.3 trillion in perspective, there are only $1.75 trillion in circulation as of now with all the new money coming in. There is a high chance that the economy devaluation of the dollar may happen. The rich see this coming and are looking to safeguard their money to buy them from those who fear the market. The best time for the rich to leverage is when their interest rate is close to zero, when cash is cheap, and when people fear. Think like the rich and follow that rhythm. So remember, when people fear, will complain, opportunities come. This is time to thrive for success. Troubles follow those who keep complaining, sitting there and doing nothing to change it. So make sure that you are out there doing things for yourself. Thanks again for tuning into my channel. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and make sure to hit the subscribe button as we put out new videos every week. And the bell icon so that you'll receive instant notifications whenever I release new videos. Until next time, bye.